sewer hookup so I can finally use my kitchen and bathroom cold water. Since I can shower, but I need a water heater so that I can have a hot shower. But a shower is better than no shower. And I do have a water filter. I just forgot to put it on. So finally, I got that part. Got my fishing poles. This is the bathroom. Most of the bathroom, I'm not done yet, but most of the bathroom walls and from the refrigerator area. I still have more to do. Sorry about the radio. I'll turn it down as soon as I get in. Okay. So, I lost all the footage from tearing the floors up. I need to sweep. I still need a broom. But I got all the linoleum up and everywhere. I put my fridge up there because it's easier to get to. That's the dehumidifier. It takes out it fills up 2 times, once during the day and once during the evening. I don't have my propane on yet, but that's my oven and stove. This is my Polydine cutting board, the crock pot that a friend loaned me, and my sister helped me get this burner and this pot, and get a pitcher of tea. My bed for now until I get this built right here for the queen size bed, and then I'll open that part up and extend it all the way out here, and I'll be able to put my bug out bag and my hiking bag in there, so that will be out. I'm not fully these are all my seasonings. I got some of my camping burner things in case I didn't have anything to cook with. I could go to that. And my mess kits, my thing to prepare my lunches for work. Pawpaw Jack. I should be laying him to rest soon. And there's my dishes for now. My closet is full of, got some clothes hanging and some stuff, tools and whatever to work on. And my clothes are still in bins, and my essentials. I have this covering this up because I'm gutting this out because it's rotted. I still got to fix that leak. And this whole panel right here, that's a mirror right there. And put a base right here so that I can put the refrigerator where it goes. This is the other part of the wall. And the mirror. And this part. And I got to get a piece to cover that. And I have a lot of stuff just up in here. It's not, you know, real nice. Nicely put away, but everything's there. And then I have this cabinet with the grill Rachel got. And some other equipment. Nope, nothing in there. And a few toys for when my grandkids come over. I still gotta clean all of this out. This is some material cleaner and stuff, and then other stuff I need This is to get the moisture out of the air. I haven't used much of it. It's not very full because I've been using the dehumidifier. And those smell good. The bathroom is a mess. I got that wall taken out. All of this taken out. Couldn't get that very good. I'll have to go back and finish it, but I was just done. I didn't want to mess with it anymore. And got the sink kind of clean. There's a little leak. I gotta replace that. Faucet and the shower actually works. Here, I'll show you. It does work. I just need a new shower head. If I have to take a shower, I can take a shower after I clean all of this mess, because that's disgusting. I'm gonna have to clean that real good, but I can still shower. Got a shower curtain here. I need to get a new one. That's it so far. The floor looks worse and worse every day. Here's my happy home. And I kind of like the shiny on here. I replaced this, but look. There's a little bit of water damage there. And there's something right here. And oh, I didn't even see that spot. Oh, yeah, and this. I'm hoping that it came from that and just went around and leaked through there. I gotta replace this whole ceiling. I think is what I'm gonna do is take these cabinets all the way down, because if I would have took these cabinets down, then I could have put that whole piece of panel up without cutting it to try to fit this, or without breaking and cracking that and cutting it too short there. It would be so much easier when I take these cabinets completely out. I might go ahead and tear this whole piece down the refrigerator, the whole frame around the refrigerator, and build another one so I can put the walls up and everything. But that's it. I'm getting there. Slowly but surely I'm getting there. And I finally have groceries and prepared a week's worth of meals. No more ramen noodles. I am so sick of ramen noodles. It was almost 2 months. Finally!